I request Mr. Chief Guest. Assalamu alaikum. I request Mr. Ahmad Sharif sir to declare open the science exhibition, Treasure of Knowledge of Iqra High, Primary, Nursery and High School.
Thank you to give me this opportunity to open the science exhibition. Very nice to see all children of Iqra school performing and doing the science activities. I welcome our secretary, Mr. Sar Ahmed Saab, Dr. Saeed Ahmed Saab, and Moin Saab, and CRP Basharwat sir. Sir, I welcome all of you. Venkatesh sir, I welcome all of you to join us in the science exhibition and appreciate our children to have so nice science exhibition. It's very nice to see this wonderful science exhibition. Treasure of knowledge. I really am very happy to see this event. So I congratulate all the teachers who has upscaled our children's skills. I appreciate the parents who have supported the children to do all this. And at the foremost, I appreciate all of our Iqra school students and children who has done a great job. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ನಿಸಾರ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ರವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ವೇಕೇರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಶರೀಫ್ ರವರೇ, ಮಾತಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ರವರೇ, ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಟಾಣಿಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ದಿನದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಓದೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಓದಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊರತೆಗೆದು ಅವರುಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ಸುಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಳಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಟ್ಟಿ ಪಾಠ ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರೆತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನುಭವದ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಅನುಭವದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಕೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾತರರಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹ ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ
subjects. Each display shows their curiosity, hard work, and love for learning. Through this exhibition, we hope to inspire everyone to explore more things beyond books and value the knowledge that help us grow. Thank you and enjoy the exhibition.
Sadia, come down. Where is Sadia?
Then how will come? You know pollution is there. How to stop the pollution? What I'm thinking is, this thing is, we know we have problem. What is the solution for this? And after noise pollution.
इस मस्जिद ना तो सिर्फ नमाज के लिए है, इस मस्जिद में मदरसा जहाँ कुरान नमाज हर चीज पढ़ाया जा सकता है। ये इस मस्जिद शहर बैंगलोर का अहम मस्जिद कहा जाता है। इस मस्जिद के अहाते में इकरा नर्सरी प्राइमरी और हाई स्कूल है और इसके साथ इकरा ट्रेनिंग कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर और इकरा टेलरिंग सेंटर मौजूद है।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Mohammad Noman Raza from grade 10th. My model is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची इमारत है जो दुबई में वाक़ है। इसकी तामीर 2010 में मुकम्मल हुई। इसकी बुलंदी तकरीबन 828 यानी 828 मीटर्स की है। ये जदीद इंजीनियरिंग का एक शाहकार है। इसमें होटल, दफ्तर, शॉपिंग एरियाज और रिहायशी फ्लैट्स भी मौजूद हैं। दुनिया भर के सैयाह यानी टूरिस्ट, दुनिया भर के टूरिस्ट इसकी खूबसूरती और बुलंदी का नज़ारा करने आते हैं। रात के वक्त इस पर होने वाली लाइट्स से दिलकश करती है। इसके आर्किटेक्ट यानी मेमार एड्रिन स्मिथ, इसकी ऊंचाई 828 मीटर्स की है। इसका पैगाम 2004 से 2010 तक हुआ, यानी इसको बनने में 6 साल लगे और ये दुबई में वाक़ है।
इधर जरा तो
Today I am going to first start presentation. My
मैं टेस्ट करने वाले सामने जाओ।
If this rice turns blue after I pour the iodine solution. Acids are salt, taste, bases are electricity is influence signature.
My name is Sheikh Zainab from Venezuela. Today I am going to show a demonstration about combination reaction, photodeposition reaction, displacement reaction, and the displacement reaction. First, we will go for combination reaction. When we burn magnesium ribbon. When we burn magnesium rubber into air, it will become magnesium oxide. In combination reaction, one reactants break down into two products. Then decomposition reaction. This is ferrous sulfate. When we put ferrous sulfate in a dye test tube, because decomposition reaction, a single product makes two reactions. This is ferrous oxide, which is insoluble in water. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are gases.
बोला इनको
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Fatika. Myself Fatika Firdaus from 5th standard. Today I am exploring about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization on July 14, 2023. It is India's third lunar mission, which successfully soft-landed on the moon's south pole on August 23, 2020, making India the fourth country to achieve a lunar
Little louder.
Rainwater for this rainwater is more practical solution to all the problems related to water scarcity. This is one of the cheapest forms of conserving water. That stored water can be used for stored water the Assalamualaikum. This is my model. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a method where water is delivered slowly and directly to the roots of plants through narrow tubes. In this model, the jar shows water. The pump and switch helps to move it, and the tubes carry it to the plant bed drop by drop. This saves water and keeps the soil evenly moist. It reduces water wastage and prevents soil erosion. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Atika Firdaus from 6th standard. Today I am exploring about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. It is India's third lunar mission, which successfully soft landed on Moon's South Pole on August 23, 2023, making India the fourth country to achieve a lunar landing. Thank you.
खड़ी थी मैंने ये अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करती रहती हूँ मम्मी अपना नेकलेस प्रोनाउंसिएशन खराब है।
I have a feeling
Abdi Dalo, you know Dalo.
Some volcanoes are active, they are found on Earth. Volcanoes and geothermal soil, they are part of this Earth's natural process. Thank you.
Hoga. You are explaining this? Air pollution.
Ready.
Desert, give to them. Desert explain.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sedan and I am studying. Today my topic is desert. Our desert is dry and hot place with sand. Deserts are hot during the day and cold at night. Camels are called sheep of desert. Cactus plants grow here. The largest desert in India is Thar Desert. Thank you. Myself, Baba from grade 6. This is an air pollution topic model. Air pollution is a mixture of harmful gases and particles. Most of the air comes from vehicles like emission and industry. Most of the people die from air pollution like cancer, asthma, and etc. And weather change problem.
Fundamental rights comes in social. In Islam, there is no place fully congested in that. Delhi. Air pollution का है कुछ near the factories.
Study.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alena Nurman Ahmad. I am from grade 6. Today my topic is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is basic right women graduated to all citizens. Countries constitution is one fundamental right. Example: right against discrimination, culture and education, right to constitution and media, right to freedom of creation, right to freedom, right to equality, right to freedom.
Okay, yours.
Say it's okay, no problem. Hold properly. To the near the mouth.
Myself, Chamraina from grade 6. My topic is heart. The function of the heart is it pumps blood to all parts of the body. Our heart beats about 70 to 70 times per minute. It has 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The wall between atrium and ventricle opens the atrium and contract with the left ventricle. Blood is moved to the lungs. Oxygenated blood is returned to the heart. Thank you.
Okay, what's in?
Good morning, myself Arya Zola from grade 10. Today I am demonstrating the working of series circuit. This is the apparatus setup of series circuit. The components required to the series circuit are bulbs, switches, wires and holders. Series circuit is a line circuit. In series circuit, the resistance will be more and the current will be less. If one of the components fails, the whole circuit will not work. It is usually used in serial sets in decoration of buildings. Thank you.
On the way.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Javeria Dalai from 10th standard.
Way on the way. It should be here.
Components required for parallel circuit are switches, wires, This is called row circuit. If one of the components fails in the circuit, the other components will not properly. This circuit is usually used for domestic wiring of houses and industries. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Farida Khanum from grade 10. Today I am demonstrating the comparison between
अस्सलाम
circuit and parallel.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
The amount of current flows through all the circuits is same. The current flowing through each node combines to form net current. In an whole circuit, the nodes are arranged in a line. In a whole circuit, the nodes are arranged in a parallel way. The voltage across each resistor is same. The voltage across each resistor is different. V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 is equals to V2 is equals to V3.
Yeah, it's okay.
If one of the component fails, the whole circuit will not work. And the other nodes will function even if one of the circuit fails. Each has its own independent circuit. Thank you.
Thank you. Explain.
इधर देख लिया क्या पूरा
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Athar Abdullah. I am studying in 7th standard. My model demonstrates the process of treating wastewater to make it reusable. The primary treatment undergoes the process through screening and grit removal. Secondary treatment undergoes through biological treatment to organic matter.
तुम्हें यहाँ
My model highlights the importance of water.
was the clean and everything. Hold the mic properly.
Mic.
ठीक है मैं इसको लाती हूँ
थोड़े बच्चे ही हैं
I'm going to explain about human excretory system. When the blood enters the waste products are filtered in ureters and stored in urinary bladder.
Next.
Method touch spatial awareness, occipital lobe, handle visual temporal process cerebellum, coordinate balance and movement, spinal cord, transmit signal between brain and body.
Next. Like positive reviews.
Contracts like below, drawing air in and out, pedal systems with the lateral movement creating
चंद्रयान
exchange of gases. Describe your water example if used
छोटा बच्चा forget
Atika Firdaus. Atika Firdaus.
Ahmed.
मत नहीं
model is heart working model. It demonstrates that heart has 4 chambers and it is an important muscular organ in our body. It has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Auricles carry oxygenated blood and ventricles carry deoxygenated blood. Heart is an important organ.
It's okay. Mic is not working properly.
Ventricles carry.
Mic is not working properly. You have to show that.
She's telling me.
Opposite of what you want to say. Say probably again you say. Correct yourself.
My heart is working model demonstrates that heart is an important organ in our body. It is a muscular organ covered by pericardium layer. It has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. 2 ventricles pumps out, 1 ventricle pumps out the oxygenated blood all throughout the body, and the veins carry the oxygenated blood from the body parts and to the heart. And there is an exception that pulmonary artery carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs, and pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Thank you.
Now you are correct. Photosynthesis का कोई नहीं है.
Hey, listen here. Sadia. Zainab. Sadia. Zainab.
मेरी सादिया.
ये बोला
अल्लाह क्या बोलते हैं क्या बोलते
other cells. So the main site of neuron where micromolecules are synthesized. Action transfer is the signal to other cells or in case controls are cell body produces
मांशरो तुम्हें वहाँ ये करो ऑपरेट करो
डॉक्टर साहब कहें
तो मैं आज आप सबको लाल किले के बारे में थोड़ी जानकारी देता है। लाल किला दिल्ली में वाक़ है। ये तारीखी शान व अज़मत की अलामत है। इसे मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने 1638 में तामीर करवाया था। जब इन्होंने अपना दारुल आगरा से दिल्ली मुंतकिल किया तो इन्होंने इसका नाम पत्थरों से बनी बुलंद बाला दीवारों की वजह से इसका नाम लाल किला रखा। किले के अंदर दीवाने आम, दीवाने खास, गुलाब और खूबसूरत भावात को दी है। आज भी हर साल यौम आज़ादी के मौके पर वज़ीर आज़म
का बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है वीडियो बना रही है
मैं आलिया खानम अभी नहीं है सर आई एम स्टडीइंग एट 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम Summer Palace of Art. It is located in Bangalore. It is built by Hereditary in the year 1791 and it is finished by Tipu Sultan, the son of Hyder Ali. It is finished by Tipu Sultan in the year 1791. This Summer Palace is also called as Ras Ki Jannat in English, Gateway of Summer Palace.
explain.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sayedati. I am studying LKG. My model is parts of the body: head, forehead, eyes, eyebrow, nose, ears, lips, mouth, teeth, tongue, stomach, legs, toes, palms, fingers, nails, palms.
Thank you. Please start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Faizan. I am studying LKG. My model is wings of Stanford. Road Stanford, air Stanford, water Stanford, air Stanford. Thank you.
Umar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Syed Umar. I am studying LKG. My model is Grace of the Week. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammed Rayan. I am studying LKG. My model is rabbit. Get up early. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take bath daily. Exercise. Wash your hands. Start eating healthy food. Do the homework on time. Growth always in the street. Sleep early. Thank you.
Rayan, explain. मैम इनका सुनो, इसका सुनो, इसका सुनो. बोलो.